Today, I'll show you how to install the Notepad++. Why Notepad++? Because it is the better way to the Notepad version, and you have a lot of notes there. Good things is that it will not close while you are closing that. You have to search Notepad++, then you will be seeing that Notepad++ or downloads this. Click this button, latest version, download. Once download, then just you have to install by simply clicking that one. So this is English. Next, I agree. Next, next. You can create a shortcut on desktop. So it will take only 1 minute. It takes less than 1 minute. Yeah. So you see, if you write something here, say if you close this one, then again it will open. Same thing. So no need to save, no need to until you want to decide to save. Thanks for watching. We'll come to the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and make comments if you have any question. Thanks for watching.